the more we work together, the less I have to say about what I want through our conversations. I know you've done your research, whereas working with you, you really figure it out together. I can see this growth and learning on your part.
It's more than just video editing, or I would just love to add more value to you no matter what it is, as long as it's within my capability. It's kind of like a second brain.
Is that better?
Yeah, I think it looks good. Thanks for cleaning it up. And yeah, Victor, how long have we been working together? Can you recall that?
Well, I mean, from the very beginning or this time?
I'd say this time.
What, it's been like 4 months? Does that sound right?
Yeah, like 4 months. Yeah. I mean, a year ago, we used to work together for like about 1 to 2 months.
Right.
Then, yeah, I just kind of left for a cheaper option. And so, which is pretty special. And yeah. And right now, we've been working again for 4 months now and still counting. But I'm just really curious, like, what made you decide to work with me again?
Yeah, I think one of the things I really appreciated working with you is that you spend a lot of time to get to know me as a person, but not just that, like the subject matter that I am passionate about, in this case, like nutrition and fitness and stuff. So I can see this growth and learning on your part of understanding what I'm talking about and who I am. And I think that's sort of one of the big value adds for me is like the more we work together, the less I have to say about what I want and what I'm thinking about, and you sort of just get it. So that's really probably the big reason why.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's more than just video editing or, any of the service. Yeah. I think understanding what you do and how I can actually help you add other values that might not be necessary. I would just love to add more value to you no matter what it is, as long as it's within my capability.
Yeah, it's noticeable. So it's appreciated.
Awesome. Yeah, and because you have worked with 2 teams like the previous vendor, and what are the biggest differences that you feel?
I think that with the other guys, which it was like an agency where, you have a big team of editors. Every editor is assigned to maybe one or few, like X number of accounts. And so I think I felt like with them, I almost had to mentally edit every video myself and every detail to be able to explain and write to whoever is editing to be able to get it right. So I will have to give them exact timestamps. With them, it was just every detail had to be sort of very well described and written out so that it could be done correctly. Whereas I think working with you, I still have the opportunity to just be like, hey, I want this, like you figure it out. That's the main difference. Like sometimes I'm not even sure what I want, and I can tell you I'm thinking about this sort of thing, and you figure out what looks good and what fits the content. Whereas the other one is just like, I have to know everything and then sort of do everything mentally. Where it just, and it's not my expertise to be able to do that.
Yeah, it sounds like you're kind of editing it yourself, right? Like jotting down.
Sort of felt that way. And it almost felt easier to just edit as opposed to writing that editing, like writing out the notes for editing them.
Yeah, happy to help you save time. I mean, that is definitely very tiring. It sounds tiring to me.
Yes.
And since we've been working together for the second time and also for a couple months now, what were the changes that you see, after we worked together, and like the impact wise, like how has it impacted you?
I think there's 2 really big ththings. One obviously is just the massive amount of time that I'm saved. I gotta say at least like 5, I don't know, 10 hours. I guess I'm not even sure. It's been a while since I've done it. But probably when I was working on the videos myself, I felt like 80 to 90% of my time was sort of edited, which was difficult to continue running the business. And the other thing is, I think the bigger and more valuable change for me was like getting better through your, I guess, education and consultation, just continuing to improve the recording aspect, the presentation, my own personal, like getting your feedback on presenting, how things look, getting the backgrounds right, getting the lighting right. Like these things are sort of, for me, the most valuable changes continue to grow in that aspect. So those are probably the major changes.
Yeah, even with us working remotely, you can still change your environment and lightings the way you shoot and just bring the quality and the game up.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I know that you are a fitness coach, right?
Yeah.
Who do you think is suitable to work together with me to get the most value, and what would you say to them?
I mean, fitness coaches, obviously. I mean, I'm a fitness coach, and I know, like, I'm sure a lot of people in this space would get a lot of benefit by working with you. I really feel like anybody working in this sort of new education space, I like some of us new entrepreneurs, like we're trying to build up in this education space, generally speaking, could get a huge benefit. Through our conversations, I know you've done your research, you know, what's working in the space, all the types of different videos out there. And maybe like a lot of people who are just trying to start to build their audience can really have a huge benefit. It's just that I think trying to figure it out on your own is just too taxing and too time consuming. Whereas working with you, you really figure it out together, you know? So I think the value is definitely immense.
It's kind of like a second brain.
Yeah, it's like having somebody else's time, but more so expertise to figure out the things I need to figure out to make better content. Anybody where content is a big part of growing your business, and you know, well, any business really should, especially for us solopreneurs, like I'm sure they all could benefit hugely.
Yeah, especially, you know, with Gary Vee, Hormozi, this guy is just doubling down on content, and of course, personal branding is just the future.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think for a lot of people, like maybe sometimes they don't know what business to build yet, but it's not too early to start personal branding, right?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and definitely love working with you so long, and yeah, really appreciate you.
Me too. I appreciate you. I think going forward, I've definitely been, for me personally, I really feel like I've been super disorganized and the pace has been bad on my end. So I think going forward in the next few months, I'll probably really focus on just organizing my time better and then improving our sort of workflow.
Yep.
All right. Anything else on your end?
I think we're good.
Awesome. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Victor.
All right. Talk soon.
Okay, take care. Goodbye.
Bye.